Ew.
Okay.
Here I come.
Okay, let's try this.
Wow. You can leave.
Alright, ready?
With your little fancy gun.
Alright, ready?
Get yourself out here.
Alright.
Cause you ain't welcome over here. Please leave. We don't want Romney to win. No Romney. No Romney. No Romney. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack. He's the only president for me. Barack